Friends, again we are going to discuss about photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect क्या बताता है? So photo, you have to discuss of photoelectric effect. Photo is what? Light energy. इलेक्ट्रिक मतलब क्या है? फोटो से लेकर इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी बनाना, उस वाले नेचर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट. तो फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट क्या बताता है? देखिए डेफिनेशन. सो हाउ डू यू डिफाइन दिस डेफिनेशन? हाउ डू यू डिफाइन दिस डेफिनेशन? When a radiation of suitable frequency, when a radiation of suitable frequency, that frequency incident on or falls on metal surface, falls on metal, there is injection of electrons, there is emission of electrons. जैसे कि हमने पिछले वाले क्लास में देखे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैसे एमिट होते हैं ड्यू टू द डिफरेंट सोर्सेस ऑफ एनर्जी, दैट आर द प्रोसेस ऑफ एमिशन व्हेन यू फॉल अपॉन दिस सुटेबल फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑन मेटल. सो देयर इज एमिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम मेटल सरफेस, फ्रॉम द मेटल surface. This phenomena is called photoelectric effect. This is called photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. So how it is possible? Consider this is one surface of metal. Okay, तो यहाँ पे जो भी है आपका metal surface है. So when you supply amount of energy to the metal surface, so after absorbing some amount of energy, there is liberation of electrons. So there is liberation of electrons. Okay, so E equal to hν. क्या होगा? E मतलब energy of each photon. So energy of each photon गिरने के बाद to the metal surface there is free electrons. So जो free electrons will get absorbed some amount of energy which is equal or greater than supplied energy. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? इंजेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल कम आउट ऑफ दिस मेटल सरफेस. सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लिबरेट होते हैं. that electrons are called photo electrons. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ड्यू टू दिस फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स देयर इज ए photoelectric effect. Okay, so due to photoelectric emission, okay, then these are called photoelectrons. So emitted electrons are called photoelectrons. यहाँ पे लिखना emitted electrons are called photoelectrons. Okay, next thing is photoelectric current. So next one, photoelectric current. So next photoelectric current क्या होता? Photoelectric current, what is current? It is the flow of charged particles, that is photoelectric current. So this is the current due to the photoelectrons. It is the current due to photoelectrons. That is for photoelectric current. So next one is photosensitive materials. What are the photosensitive materials? We have to study here. What are the photosensitive materials? Okay. Next one is photosensitive materials. Photosensitive materials क्या होते हैं? So next photosensitive materials. Okay. So photoelectric current, photons, photoelectric current हो गया. Next photosensitive materials. The materials which are sensitive to have photoelectric current. So that is called photoelectric sensitive materials. These are the substances which these are the substance which these are the substance which emits electrons. These are the substance which emits electron when incident light falls on metals. These are the substance which emits electrons when incident light falls on the metal surface. There is the materials. What are those materials? Those are called zinc, magnesium. Example पे zinc, magnesium, rubidium. Okay. These are the photosensitive materials. Lithium, sodium, etc. These are the photosensitive materials. Okay. After photosensitive materials, next one, your photoelectric work function. That is photoelectric work function. That is W or phi naught. Okay. Already I told you photoelectric work function. Consider metal surface. When you apply some amount of energy, there is reaction of a amount of energy. So यहाँ पे देखो, I am supplying, मैं यहाँ पे 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट एनर्जी सप्लाई कर रहे. So 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट सप्लाई करने के बाद तो जो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है मेटल सरफेस के अंदर, that should get 3 amount of energy or more than 3 amount of energy. Then and only the electrons will come outside. So what is electric work function? If I supply E is equals to 3 HU, यानी कि E equal to 3 electron volt है. So that much you have to supply this much amount. ये एनर्जी अप्लाई करने के बावजूद जितना अमाउंट अब्जॉर्ब करेगा, यानी कि इस अमाउंट अब्जॉर्ब करने के बाद वो लिबरेट होगा और मोर देन. सो इस वाले इलेक्ट्रिक फंक्शन को क्या बोलते हैं हम? इलेक्ट्रिक फोटोइलेक्ट्रिक वर्क फंक्शन. सो व्हाट इज दिस डेफिनेशन? It is the minimum amount of energy required to emit electrons from metal surface. Okay, so this is the photoelectric work function. So work function can be written as H mu naught. So E equal to H mu. So normally हम क्या लिखते हैं? Energy of incident photon is equals to E is equals to H mu. For n number, this implies E equal to n into H mu. Okay. So work function क्या लिखेंगे? That is also some amount of energy to get outside of this metal, तो लिबरेट होने के लिए. तो क्या आएगा? H naught. So minimum amount of energy, that is work function, minimum amount of frequency. So why? The energy is directly dependent on frequency. That's why if energy increases, frequency also increases. If frequency increases, energy also increases. Okay, this is directly proportional to frequency. That is frequency. So whereas work function depends on what? Your mu naught. That is called threshold frequency. This term is called threshold frequency. Okay. So what is threshold frequency? Let's know. Okay. So यहाँ पे minimum amount of energy बोले. So that means what? It is also directly proportional to frequency. There only threshold frequency is mu naught. Okay. So this is also minimum amount of energy के जगह पे क्या लिखना है हम? It is the minimum amount of frequency. Minimum amount of minimum amount of frequency to have photoelectric burst. We have photoelectric effect is called threshold frequency. So normally I told you for n number, for one photon के लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे, equal to h nu. For total n number of के लिए n into h nu. So this is incident photon. Okay, this is incident photon यानी कि normal energy. Okay, so work function मतलब phi naught equal to h nu naught, where h is Planck's constant. Okay, h को हम क्या लिखेंगे, Planck's constant. Okay, this is called Planck's constant. Okay, mu is frequency, u naught is also threshold frequency. So यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे, h c divided by lambda naught. Why? Already we know equation for n into h, c equal to mu into lambda.